What's the meaning of bedspread? Bedspread. Bedspread.
Bedspread. Bedspread. A bedspread is a decorative covering for a bed that is designed to provide warmth and comfort. It is typically made from a range of materials, including cotton, polyester, and wool, and is available in a variety of colors, patterns, and sizes to suit different bedding styles and tastes. A bedspread is often used as an alternative to a traditional comforter or duvet, and can be easily layered with other bedding elements such as sheets and pillows to create a cozy and inviting sleep environment. Some bedspreads also feature intricate designs or embellishments, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to the bedroom decor.